People always ask me, like, why lots of other people on YouTube are not showing their lifestyle, why they're not showing where they travel, how they live. And I'm telling you why. It's boring, right? It's boring if you're not doing something that you love, if you're not traveling around, be passionate about something you're doing, right? Have some kind of energy. So I'm dedicated to show you this lifestyle. That's why I'm sharing all the Instagram pictures, all the YouTube videos from Jordan, from Dubai, from Africa, from Europe, right? From Asia, all the tropical beaches, coconut, pineapples, right? All of that stuff. It's not because I want to boast, it's because I want to show you what's possible once you take action, right? For example, here in my hotel, as you can see, beautiful bathtub, right? Nice place. And this is all about having the opportunity, having the, let's say, more chances, more options in life to enjoy your life, right? Once you start making these affiliate marketing commissions, you can truly begin to experience the real freedom, the true freedom of having online business. For example, if you're promoting Clickbank products, or if you're promoting high-ticket affiliate offers, business opportunities, doesn't matter. It's all about having the skill set and someone to coach you or mentor you along the way, one-on-one, step by step. Why I don't believe in courses? The number one reason why I don't believe in courses and why I don't sell courses myself is because there is no personal support whatsoever, right? There is no one that will help you, hold your hand along the way and show the ropes of how it's basically done, what you have to do and how it works. You see, I believe in mindset, mental health, physical health, and wellness. That's what we have to have, those 3 points if you want to succeed, right? If you want to have more energy and start generating millions of dollars. I'm not talking about as a newbie, but thousands of dollars as a newbie, right? As someone who wants to get the results online and want to enjoy the life to the fullest, like me over here, you see, traveling around the world, staying in 5-star resorts, hotels, and enjoying all the finest things that are possible in life. So if you really want to have results, if you want to succeed at your finest, then click the link below this video. Reach out to me, ask me any questions you want, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more helpful tips, to get more inspiration, to get more motivation, more results-driven, purpose-driven life, so that you watching this video, yes, you can start having the same or even better results as me. Again, really, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video inspired you to start having results. Don't forget to click the links below this video. Reach out to me if you want to have someone to coach you or mentor you one-on-one personally through affiliate marketing online business journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.